Hello, bebe. Happy birthday. More health to come. More health. More birthdays to come. More blessings para sa iyo and sana makuha mo lahat ng pangarap mo. See you.
Hi, Angie. Happy birthday. Ano, huwag ka na masyadong maingay. Huwag ka na ring high blood. Happy birthday.
Ay, tita Ren.
Ace.
Hi Angie, happy birthday.
High blood yun eh.
More blessings to come and ano lang, ingat ka lang parati. Nandito lang kami parati sa iyo. Yun, ingat ka, God bless. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Yo, Bunso, happy birthday. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo. Alam ko kahit marati tayo nagkukulitan away, love ka namin lahat. Okay? So, enjoy mo yung araw mo. Bye-bye, Bunso. Happy birthday.
So dapat, ikaw yung tiniyab na Raymond.